हेलो किड्स, आज की वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे 20 टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रेन। मेट्रो ट्रेन METROTRAIN मेट्रो ट्रेन। दिस इज ए मेट्रो ट्रेन। बुलेट ट्रेन BULLETTRAIN बुलेट ट्रेन। दिस इज ए bullet train. Steam train STEAM TRAIN steam train. This is a steam train. Local train LOCAL TRAIN local train. This is a local train. Diesel train DIESEL TRAIN diesel train. This is a diesel train. Electric train ELECTRIC TRAIN electric train. This is a electric train. Monorail train MONORAIL TRAIN monorail train. This is a monorail train. High speed train HIGH SPEED TRAIN high speed train. This is a high speed train. Freight train FREIGHT TRAIN freight train. This is a freight train. Toy train TOYTRAIN toy train. This is a toy train. Cargo train CARGOTRAIN cargo train. This is a cargo train. Maglev train MAGLEV TRAIN maglev train. This is a maglev train. Express train EXPRESSTRAIN express train. This is a express train.